Now let us learn about Annunasik. Okay, before we have learned Anuswar. Okay, before we learn Anuswar, now let us learn about Annunasik. Annunasik means the sounds of the word in a nose point. Okay, we have to sound the word in the nose. Okay, see here Annunasik. Annunasik, that is Chandra Bindu. Okay, Chandra Bindu. See here, see the first word. Let us see the first word. Here we are having ka ha. Before the word there is a Chandra Bindu. There is a Chandra Bindu. We have to spell this word as kaha. Okay, kaha. The sound must be in the throat and the nose. Okay, kaha. Okay, the meaning is where. The meaning is where. Okay, here kaha. Okay, simply kaha. The above the letter there is a Chandra Bindu. Okay, we have to pronounce this word as kaha. Where? See the next ya ha. Then the pronunciation is yaha. The pronunciation is yaha. Okay, yaha means here. Yaha means here. Okay, kaha, yaha. Okay, then we can choose the word as vaha also. Vaha. There. Okay, there. Okay, we have to pronounce it as ha. Okay, ha. Then ha means yes. Ha. Ha means yes. Okay, here simply if there is no Chandra Bindu, the pronunciation is ha. The pronunciation is ha. If there is Chandra Bindu, the pronunciation is ha. Ha means the sound comes from the nasal. The sound comes from the nasal. So, ha. These are the two examples. Kaha, where. Here, yaha. Okay, yaha. The pronunciation is yaha. The meaning is here. Then, go to the third one. See, ha, sa. Okay, ha, sa. But we are having here bindu. So, the pronunciation is hums. The pronunciation is hums. The meaning is swan. Okay, the meaning is swan. Here, hunts. Ha, sa. Above this sa, we are having bindu. So, this becomes hunts. This becomes hums. The meaning is swan. Next, we can see the fourth one. Va, sa, vas. But here we are having bindu. So, the pronunciation is vams. Lineage. The pronunciation is vams. The meaning is lineage. See the next one, fifth. Cha, va, ra. Okay. Cha, va, ra. Chamber, flapper. See, before the va, we are having bindu. So, it is pronounced as chamber. Okay, it is pronounced as chamber, flapper. Okay, chamber, flapper. Hope you understand these things. I hope. Okay, see, let us see. Kaha, vaha, hans, once. Okay, somewhere. Here, vaha, ha. These are the Annunasik. Annunasik words used in Hindi. We have to spell and pronounce this in the nasal sound. We have to pronounce it. Okay. Please take a note of this and note this, and is it clear?